everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Healing Neutrophil. I'm Dr. Humaira and I'm a dermatology resident and I'm here once again with you guys to share last 1 month strategy for NEET PG, since you all know this just 1 month left for NEET PG and many of you might be panicking a lot during 1 month, and don't worry, this happens to everyone. So I have come up with the things that you should keep in mind while preparing for your NEET PG during this 1 month and how you should approach. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So the first thing that I want to emphasize is on rapid revision videos. Since you all might be aware what I am talking about when I say rapid revision videos, they are nothing but they are the lectures that cover all the important topics that are asked frequently in NEET PG and other competitive examinations. So if you are someone who is lagging behind a particular subject, especially the small ones, the minor ones, you can just go to the rapid revision section and start watching the lectures of those subjects. So in that way you can cover the important chunk of that subject without wasting much of your time. And talking about the questions of those subjects, सब questions के लिए you can go with the custom module thing, and also modules के last में they have covered all the important questions also, so उससे you can solve, and also all the bookmark questions plus the GTs में उस subject के कितने भी question आ रहे हैं you have to go with the explanation part. Okay, so in that way आपका वो वाला subject is covered अच्छे से, ठीक है. So this is the first thing, and a very good thing according to me is rapid revision videos. The second thing I want to talk about, of which many students are confused also, whether they should study notes or whether they should approach the questions of that subject. So if you take my opinion, I would say you have to emphasize more on doing questions. See, questions आप करते हो ना तो क्या होता है, that will आपका brain और broad होता है, थोड़ा open होता है कि आप think करते हो, सोचते हो when you solve a particular questions कि other 3 options क्यों नहीं है. So in that way it gives a lot of motivation also. So doing questions helps a lot, and when you go on reading the theoretical part जो आपने पहले भी पढ़ लिया होता है तो उसका ज़्यादा कुछ यूज़ नहीं होता है. But if you are someone who want to study and revise notes at this point of time, you can follow the retrograde approach. See क्या, if you are doing a particular question, suppose you are doing a question of orthopedics, okay, and you have done that wrong, so you can go back to your notes and start reading the whole of that topic, why you have done this question wrong. So in that way you have done the questions part also and you have done your notes part also. Okay, but emphasize more on doing your notes thing, doing your question thing. Okay, so but you can follow obviously your retrograde approach. Okay, so this is the second thing, the question you have to emphasize more. The third thing and the important thing that I want to emphasize here is doing GTs. See, many students ask me a lot, मैम GT से demoralization हो रहा है, नहीं करने GT से score कम आ रहा है. So don't think too much about that. Instead, you just do your GTs, because at this point of time, whatever GTs they are conducting, that are really important. Those are really important GTs because they are covering all the important chunk of stuff. Okay, so don't lose your GTs. Okay, don't lose your GTs. Also, you can do one thing, if you are tired of doing GTs from a particular app or a particular coaching institute, you can just download other apps also, because at this point of time many apps do their free GTs. Okay, so वो free GTs करना start कर दो, और उससे क्या होगा कि आपको लगेगा कि हाँ you are doing GTs from other app also, और आपका थोड़ा mind rot होगा कि हाँ मैं इस ऐप से भी कर पा रहा हूँ या पा रही हूँ. ठीक है, so in that way also when you are approaching a GT, just keep a notepad, okay, with you, and whatever question you are doing wrong, just keep on marking, especially those questions that you might have done right. Okay, कि क्यों मेरा वो question गलत हुआ. So keep a notepad, उस question को mark करते रहो. Make a 3 sections. One section should be about the question that जो बिल्कुल भी नहीं आते थे. Second question जो आप सही कर सकते थे एंड आपने गलत कर दिए. ओके, और थर्ड सेक्शन जो बनाओ अबाउट जिसमें आप कंफ्यूज थे, 2 टॉपिक्स में आप कंफ्यूज थे, 2 ऑप्शंस में. सो इन दैट वे अप्रोच और जीटी. ऑल्सो अप्रोच और जीटी इन अ सिमिलर वे, जैसे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कर रहे हो वैसे ही 200 क्वेश्चन भी करना है. ओके, ढीला नहीं पढ़ना है. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट क्या करते हैं, 1 to 100 क्वेश्चन अच्छे से करते हैं, उसके बाद दे जस्ट डू लाइक दैट. ओके, सारे क्वेश्चन इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो approach every question in the similar way. Okay, so this is the important thing. Another thing that many students keep on asking me about the medicine. मैम medicine कैसे करना है, medicine नहीं हो रहा. I always say in every video I say this कि medicine is the mixture of all the subjects, okay, especially your 3 subjects. What are those 3 subjects? 3 P's: patho, physio and pharma. If you are good in these 3 subjects, just cover the important chunk of medicine. वो तो वैसे भी cover करना है. Metabolic disturbances, ECGs, ये आप लूज नहीं कर सकते इसमें मार्क्स. मेटाबॉलिक डिस्टर्बेंस से तो एक क्वेश्चन पक्का आता है, सो डोंट मिस दैट पोर्शन ऑफ मेडिसिन. ओके, सो डोंट थिंक टू मच, जस्ट कीप ऑन डूइंग योर सब्जेक्ट्स और मेडिसिन के इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स कवर कर लो एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. ओके, another thing is previous year questions. See, 5 year NEET PG questions करने ये previous year with the explanation part and 3 to 4 year questions of AIMS. See, AIMS के questions so they keep on like that, ऐसे ही उठा कर रख देते हैं without changing any options. Okay, so you can't lose your marks in those questions. Okay, so what you do is with explanation just do these PYQs, previous year questions. Where you can find it, a very good way to find those questions, previous year questions, are using the hashtags. Hashtag AIMS, hashtag NEET PG previous year questions. They have in the Marrow. They might all other apps में भी obviously होंगे ही, but Marrow में they have a very good feature of custom module, so you can find previous year questions from those hashtags. Okay. Another thing that I want to say is you don't lose your marks in image based questions, especially the radio, because radio के same as it is questions आते हैं हर year, so you have to do your image based questions wholeheartedly. Okay, especially the radio के questions, because they are easy and they are very scoring, so don't lose your marks in those questions. Okay, another thing is 20th notebook. Okay, many students have made their 20th notebook. Well and good, keep your 1 hour for that 20th notebook only and keep on doing your 20th notebook का जितना भी stuff है. What are stuff the 20th notebook should cover? All the image, all those important gradings, all those important cancer की grading, color coding. Okay, so at the last के 4-5 days you just have your 20th notebook with you and you are just flipping the pages. That's it. Also to the people who have not made their 20th notebook, still अभी उनको नहीं पता और अभी वो बनाना भी नहीं चाहते, are pearls. Marrow के pearls are really very good. Half an hour में each subject get covered with the questions, so that's a very good way for revising in those last 5 to 6 days. Okay, obviously 20th notebook खुद की बनाई हुई है तो well and good, but still if you have not made and you don't want to make it, just go with the pearl section of the Marrow. They are really very good. So these are the points that I want to emphasize before you enter your examination hall. See, if you are someone who have not even started, you can easily qualify by doing these steps. अच्छे marks से you can qualify. See, the most important thing at this point of time is you should not lose your motivation. And you should not demoralize yourself. At this point of time, majority of students, what they do is वो बहुत demoralize हो जाते हैं and they start thinking that they can't do. See, one thing you should keep in mind that one exam can't decide your future, one exam can't decide your fate. Okay, ठीक है, अगर एग्जाम नहीं भी अच्छा हुआ, well and good, but at the end of the day you should not have this regret in your mind that you have not given your 100%. So the best thing that you can do at this point is giving your 100%. Okay, so that you don't have any regret. Also, एक एग्जाम है, ठीक है, अच्छा हुआ तो अच्छा हुआ, बुरा हुआ तो बुरा हुआ, मैंने अपना 100% दिया, that's it. So at this point of time, keep away yourself with the negative people, stop comparing yourself and give your 100%. Okay, अगर एग्जाम नहीं भी अच्छा होता है, नहीं भी तुम्हारा सिलेक्शन होता है, so maybe God have better plans for you, right? So with this positive approach you should go, and I hope you all will come out with flying colors, and I wish you all the very best. And that's it for today's video. I will see you very soon in another video. Till then, goodbye.